So welcome to the reveal video, and things didn't exactly go quite as planned. About to go down and bust this thing up right now. We're going to be using our lifting boom to be able to pull up on the mounts we lowered these in. As much as I don't want this to be a lot of hard work, the harder it is means the better the bond of concrete is underneath it. So it's kind of a catch-22. So let's see what happens.
Don't do that.
Okay, that was worth a shot. I was gonna go for the easy win. Back to the chisel and prying. Yay! I'm so excited! So once again, I'm choosing the path of destruction, because I'm just tired and sore, and this has got to be finished. Well, what was it? Y'all got to see before I did.
Emotional damage.
I was hoping I would never see the dirt of this floor ever again. Alright, this is as real as it gets. I mean, regular guy tries something that's not his forte, and there's some setbacks, and there's some hard work, and there's some hard things to have to swallow. There's some lost money for sure. It's emotional. It is. It's a little bit emotional. I think there's some positives, but definitely things didn't turn out how I wanted on this pour. There is a path to redemption for sure. We're gonna work it. We're gonna get there. Let's get the rest of these off. This is New Year's Eve, and my pre-New Year's Eve resolution is to get these freaking forms out of here. Had this worked, this section over here would have been what we were shooting for. We'd be cutting out this blocks like we are right now. This was the plan, for it to look like this with the blocks, cut the blocks out, patch the holes for the blocks. There was supposed to be just 6 holes like that left. Come in, fill them in, and we'd be done. Get this hole cleaned up, we'll get some light on it, and we'll give you a full showdown of everything that is going to be my life repairing this sucker. Even if this all had worked, it wouldn't have been a very smooth finish. It's very bumpy from the water. Very rough and coarse. There have been some resurfacing that needed to be done anyway. You'd want this to be smooth where water wouldn't gather and puddle. As we've said before, This is not even close to the end of this project. When we get to moving this X-lift in here, it's going to be awesome. The capabilities that's going to give us to raise and lower. And can you imagine parking a motorcycle down here and then raising it up with the raised floor? Boom, magnificent. That would be awesome. Or could you imagine being down here and having the deck plates up here above your head, and you could come down here in case of a tornado? Maybe you could envision having a wine rack here, wine bottles, boom, 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 boom. Or maybe you could envision having a gun rack in here, bam, 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 bam. And you can come down here like James Bond, elevate down, get your, come up looking like some kind of badass superhero. Lots of cool stuff. I'm sure you're gonna wanna see that. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure your notification bells are on, and all the comments and likes, they help us. Just remember, I'm not a contractor. I'm a professional at some things, but concrete is not one of them. These videos are for you and helping you decide if this is something that you think you could tackle on your own, and what's the budget, what's the cost you need, what's the rework that's going to be involved, what are the, hey, don't do it this way, do it that way. All those things. Think, build, test. We test stuff out. The test doesn't mean that we always succeed exactly how we wanted. It means we get real results for you, the viewer. Stay on the journey with us. We'll see you on the next video as we get this sucker fixed up. I think we're looking at about 15 to 20 bags of concrete, and I think I'm gonna mix it myself.